Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Snake quality, man, is very dangerous. Janaka Pandit has said, Satpa krura kala krura, satpata kuratara kala, mantro sadhuvasa satpa alakena nivara. There are two envious living entities. One is a snake, black snake, and one is a human being with the quality of black snake. He cannot see any good things. Sarpakrura. The snake is envious without any fault. He bites. A snake is there on the street, and if you happen to pass by him, he becomes so angry into his bite. So this is the snake's nature. Similarly, there are persons like the snake, without any fault, they will accuse. They are also snakes. But Janaka Pandit says that this black snake is less harmful than the man snake. Why? That this black snake, by chanting some mantra or by some herb, you can bring him under your control. But this man snake, you cannot. It is not possible. So, there will be, this Hiranyakashipu is also described by Prahlad Maharaj as a snake. When Nrsimhadev is so angry, so he will say later on that Modeta sadhurapi vishtika sarpahatya. My Lord, you were very much angry on my father. Now he is finished. So there is no more reason for your remaining angry. Be pacified. Nobody is unhappy for killing my father. Be sure. So there is no cause of anger. These all these demigods, Lord Brahma and others, they are all your servants. I am also your servant. So now the envious snake is killed, everyone is happy. So he gave this example that Modeta sadhurapi vishtika sarpahatya. A sadhu, a saintly person, never likes killing of any living being. They are not happy even a small ant is killed. They are not happy. Why? Ants are killed. What to speak of others? Even a small ant. Paradukha dukhi, it may be an ant insignificant, but at the time of death he has suffered. A Vaishnava is unhappy. Why? An ant should be killed. This is paradukha dukhi. But such Vaishnava is happy when a snake and a scorpion is killed. Modeta sadhurapi vishtika sarpahatya. So, everyone is happy when the snake or scorpion is killed, because they're very, very dangerous. Without any fault, they bite and create havoc. So, there are these snake-like persons, they are envious about our movement, and they are opposing. That is the nature. Prahlad Maharaj also was opposed by his father for the sake of others. These things will happen, but we should not be disappointed, as Prahlad Maharaj never became disappointed, although he was teased in so many ways. He was also attacked with poison. He was thrown amongst the serpents, and he was thrown from the hills. He was put under the feet of elephants. In so many ways. That quotation of Mahaprabhu has instructed us that do not be disappointed, kindly forbear. Tinadu Suniti, Karuru Visayusuna. Be tolerant more than the tree. Be subservient, meek and humble more than the grass. These things will happen. In one life, if we execute our Krishna consciousness attitude, if there is suffering little, don't mind, go on with Krishna consciousness. Don't be disappointed or hopeless. If there is some trouble. That is encouraged by Krishna in Bhagavad-gita. Avamopaina nitya tana titikkhasava. My dear, even if you feel some pain, this bodily pain, it comes and goes. Nothing is permanent. You don't care for these things. Go on with it. This is the instruction of Krishna. Prahlad Maharaj is the practical example, and our duty is to follow the footprints of such persons like Prahlad Maharaj.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,